Hello, welcome back to Goddess Web Development Channel. And in lesson 3, we are going to talk about how to import the JS JavaScript file to your web page. So first of all, we will go to the VS Code and then we will create a new file called script.js. And after creating the JS file, you will go to the index page. And remember, when you want to import the JavaScript file, you will import here. At the bottom of the body. So here, script, and then here we will auto fill for you, and here you will need to use the source attribute source equals to, and you use the auto fill feature that script.js here, choose it, and then now we will save this file, save it, and then we will go to script.js and we can use an output, for example, the alert method, and we can say this is called my JavaScript file. So, and then when we go to refresh it, you see that the alert comes out. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.